little girls and boys. Today we will learn about the sounds that the animals make. This is a cat. What sound does a cat make? That's right. A cat meows. Let's say it again. A cat goes meow. Meow, meow, meow. This is a cow. What sound does a cow make? That's right. A cow moos. Come on, repeat after me. A cow goes moo. Moo, moo, moo. This is a pigeon. What sound does a pigeon make? That's right. A pigeon coos. Come on, repeat after me. A pigeon coos. Coos, coos, coos. This is a fox. What sound does a fox make? That's right. A fox howls. Come on, repeat after me. A fox howls. Howl, howl, howl. This is a crow. What sound does a crow make? That's right. A crow cows. Come on, repeat after me. A crow cows. Cow, cow, cow. This is an elephant. What sound does an elephant make? That's right. An elephant trumpets. Let's say it again. An elephant trumpets. Trumpet, trumpet, trumpet. This is a frog. What sound does a frog make? That's right. A frog croaks. Let's say it again. A frog hops and croaks. Croak, croak, croak. This is a bee. What sound does a bee make? That's right. A bee buzzes. Come on, speak aloud. A bee goes buzz. Buzz, buzz, buzz. This is a goat. What sound does a goat make? That's right. A goat bleats. Let's say it again. A goat always bleats. Bleat, bleat, bleat. This is a horse. What sound does a horse make? That's right. A horse neigh. Let's say it again. A horse goes neigh. Neigh, neigh, neigh. This is a duck. What sound does a duck make? That's right. A duck quacks. Come on, speak aloud. A duck goes quack, 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 quack. This is a snake. What sound does a snake make? That's right. A snake hiss. Come on, speak aloud. A snake goes hiss, 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 hiss. This is a donkey. What sound does a donkey make? That's right. A donkey brays. Come on, say it again. A donkey goes bray. Bray, bray, bray. This is a sparrow. What sound does a sparrow make? That's right. A sparrow chirps. Come on, speak aloud. A sparrow chirps. Chirp, chirp, chirp. This is a dog. What sound does a dog make? That's right. A dog barks. Come on, speak aloud. A dog goes woof, 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 woof. This is a lion. What sound does a lion make? That's right. A lion roars. Let's say it again. A lion always roars. Roar, roar, roar.